With cheese?
Yeah, like a couple slices of like American cheese, and then just microwave it so that the cheese is melted.
Okay. So you want warm microwave tuna and poke bowl with melted cheese on top.